In today's sermon, we'll be acting out the play of He Is Risen. I'll leave with you, but I've warned you, will you betray me? Which one of us will betray you? Choice is yours, Judas. Do what you have to do. Baruch Natai Aloha Lemea. Take and eat. This is my body which is given for you. Do this in remembrance of me. Baruch Natai Aloha Lemea. Drink this, all of you. This is my blood of the new covenant. And then, whenever you drink it, do this in remembrance of me. Now we'll never drink from the fruit of the vine until I drink it in the kingdom of my Father. Peter, you'll betray me when the cock crows those 3 times. I would never betray you, O Master. Jesus went to the mountain to pray. Oh, my disciples, why couldn't you stay awake? Father, keep the world safe and bless them. You betrayed the Son of Man with a kiss, Judas. Are you Jesus of Nazareth? I am. Afraid you have to come with us. Master will fight for you. It's over now. Stick to fishing from now on. Do you wish to raise Jesus of Nazareth or Jesus Barabbas? Barabbas. Why do you wish me to release Jesus? Why not release Jesus of Nazareth? He tried to make us live in his way. He tried to make us live in his own image. What shall I do with him? Crucify him, crucify him, crucify him. 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 39. Jesus, you are the Son of Man. Where's your kingdom? Why do you not speak? Or why do you give up your freedom? I wash my hands in your blood. And Jesus was brought to the mountain where he was crucified. Veni, Veni, Veni. This man is praying to Elijah. When Jesus breathed his last, the ground shook. The ground shook. Lightning struck. Truly, this is the Son of God. Jesus' disciples went into hiding. Father, I saw him die. Why didn't he save himself? He had the power. Father, when he died, he looked glad. Will you look when the nets were in? It's time to go home. Yes, Jacob, his time on earth was finished. Jesus was sealed in a tomb. The centurions were guarding it. But Lord Jesus rose, appeared to Mary Magdalene. What has happened? Mary Magdalene thought Jesus was the gardener. Young man, young woman, why do you weep? They have taken away my Lord. Mary Magdalene, go and tell the others that I have not yet ascended to the Father, but tell the others what you have seen. The Lord Jesus appeared to his disciples. Peace be with you. Peace be with you. Master, is that you? Look at my hands and my feet. Touch me and see. For spirit does not have flesh and bones as you see me have. Jesus stayed with his disciples for a while. They made them breakfast. And later he ascended to heaven. And behold, I am with you always, even to the end of time. Ye men of Galilee, why do you stare into heaven? Jesus reigns in heaven with the Father and the Son. He will come again to save everyone. I've been waiting for you, dear Jesus, to return.